Oh, I got a lot of money.
Okay, I'm just going to...
Build,
I'm just going to take all yellow colonies, and after that I'm going to kill red base.
I'm going to create some fighters. Okay, I have no more monies. I create something like 20 fighters. I mean, black is so fucking wrecked. How do they? Ah, okay, cool.
Okay, I think I found yellow capital, but I'm just going to destroy all his stuffs and
only
make.
stuff.
I just need to research. Where is it? Where is it? Oh wow. Shield tower, and I got all the. Oh, you know, you can build shield tower, and this is going to defend your buildings.
Okay.
Go, my friends, go! Go and wreck their asses. Hello, yellow base. How's it going?
What? The fighters are fucking idiots.
What happened?
I don't really know. They are just moving. I mean, they are not stopping. Okay, time to destroy that.
Oh, you know, when we play that map, and you know when I got the spawn on that side, where is yellow right now?
No, wait a bit. I'm going to destroy. How do he fucking destroy him, yo? I'm not going to create plans ever.
Come on, tower shield, create more quickly. Okay, now I
Okay.
got...
This is really shit with my fighters.
Okay, now I got a tower shield.
Fucking waste
Oh
of...
my god, how the... Oh my god.
The
This
fighters are lost of money. What? The red is attacking me. Fuck you.
Who is that? Oh, I found yellow base. Time to wreck you, bitch.
Man, come with some fighters here.
I just don't get anyone. I just got the single armored force on my islands is on the red island.
Activate the fucking superpowers.
Yay. Oh my god, so much lag.
I know.
Oh, what the? No, you're not going to kill my troops. Come here, you little motherfucker. Come here, you bitch. Come here. Come here. Come. You motherfucker. You
Someone came in place of Matthew. Create tanks. Heavy tanks. 10 fucking heavy tanks. Okay.
Chica, thank goodness, help.
Technology. Transport van, improved fusion, shield tower. Oh fuck. Let's create a bunker.
No, go back, go fucking back.
I want to destroy that black.
Ah, what the fuck, why can't I?
Abilities. Unload that shit.
Oh, I mean, Mikhail, he just left. I just observed
I know,
that.
he left a long time ago.
I just observed that.
Where? What the fuck is this? I'm on the central island.
Well, now yellow is attacking me with some tanks, but he got no chance against my tanks.
Yellow
now
has no player.
I know. Now I'm just killing red stars. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Go, 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 my little planes, go! Kill them all. Destroy his economy. Oh my god, that one is communist too? What the fuck?
Okay, I got a lot of fucking tanks.
Okay, now destroy his base. For the love of God. Oh my god. The game just broke.
He's laggy as fuck.
Oh my god.
My tanks are not moving. They are only taking a stud and stopping.
I know. Now my troop just got stuck and I don't really know if I'm going to get shreked or not.
Okay, let's see.
I'm just building shield towers all around my place.
Fuck it. Destroy the fucking towers. What do the heavy tanks are wrong with them? Oh, this is really cool. I'm destroying black with my heavy tanks. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, he's dead. He's dead as fuck. Whoa. This was the best fucking win. I mean, it took only 4 seconds. Build capital. Okay, I just built my second capital.
Oh my god, my shield towers are just building so much.
I have no more lag. That's a new thing.
I just can't build up. Oh my god. Come on, just build one. Oh my god. I can't build. What the fuck?
Maybe you don't have enough parks.
I do.
Then I don't know.
What?
I'm rich as fuck. Build an AA gun. Okay, a park then. How do you mean with not in city limits? It's near this city.
Oh
This
my.
cap-
Oh. Fa. Oh my god, the lag is killing me. My leg is killing my computer. What the f. Okay, no.